Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make an appointment with Wells Fargo. Start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Now scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on the Make an Appointment link under the Customer Service section. Next, you'll be directed to the appointment scheduling page. Here, you will need to choose the type of appointment you need, such as opening a new account, discussing a loan, or meeting with a financial advisor. After that, enter your location or zip code to find the nearest Wells Fargo branch. Then, select a convenient branch from the list of options provided. Now choose a date and time that works for you from the available slots. After that, enter your personal details including your name, contact information, and any specific notes or questions you have for the appointment. Finally, review all the details you've entered to ensure they are correct. Then click Confirm Appointment. You will receive a confirmation email or message with the appointment details. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.